Hello बच्चों, let's read the question and the question says which of the following statement is correct. First statement is sporogenous tissue is haploid. Second, endothecium produce microspore. Third, septum nourishes the developing pollen. Last one is hard outer layer of pollen is called intine. इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमारा जो की concept for this question is microsporogenesis. फर्स्ट वी शुड नो कि माइक्रोस्पोरोजेनेसिस क्या होता है. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोर इनसाइड द pollen sac by meiotic division. So the formation of microspore inside pollen sac by meiotic division. This process is called microsporogenesis. Let's read the statement. Sporogenous tissues is haploid. ये statement बिल्कुल गलत है. Sporogenous tissues are diploid in nature. और इन्हें pollen mother cell भी कहा जाता है. Also known as pollen mother cell. Second statement is endothecium produce the microspore. ये statement भी बिल्कुल गलत है. Microspore mother cell produce microspore Third statement is septum nourishes the developing pollen. ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है. टेप्टम डेवलपिंग पोलन को नरिशमेंट प्रदान करता है, नरिशमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है. लास्ट स्टेटमेंट इज हार्ड आउटर लेयर ऑफ पोलन इज कॉल्ड इंटाइन. ये स्टेटमेंट भी गलत है. हार्ड आउटर लेयर ऑफ pollen is called exine. Not intine. Intine उसकी inner layer होती है, इसलिए fourth statement is also wrong. So our right answer for this question will be option C. Septum nourishes the developing pollen. I hope you understand the concept. Best of